This is our EXO900 transformer helmet. There's many features on this particular helmet. One is the standard Everclear no fog face shield. Two is the Speed View internal sun visor. With a click of a switch, you drop down the internal sun visor. With this particular model, our transformer helmet has the flip-up style. And of course, the Speed View internal sun visor still works in that position. There's also the coatings of the Everclear no fog coating on the internal sun visor on the outside and the inside. And then of course, the no fog coating on the inside of the face shield itself. Another feature here, the AirFit helmet pump system. The system inflates the neck roll and the cheek pads of this helmet to give you a custom fitted helmet, but also cuts out some of the air and wind noise that sometimes comes over and turbulently comes back up underneath your helmet. This particular helmet, the reason we call it the transformer, is able to transform the helmet from a locked position here. Pop this open, you take that out. Same thing on this side. Pop the chin bar canopy off. And we have our peak visor. There's some marking lines on the side. It'll help you to line up where this snaps into position at. Repeat on the other side. Like to give it a little snap. Make sure it pops into place. And then you bring it down. Snap it into place. Now you have a 3/4 helmet with the Speed View internal sun visor. The helmet is very, very well ventilated and very easy to operate with gloves on, gloves off. That's our front vent, the rear vent. Very easy to operate. That's the EXO900 transformer helmet. Thank you for watching.